Chop the dark cooking chocolate into small pieces. Mash the avocado with a fork. Melted butter at room temperature. I'm going to show you how to make avocado chocolate cake. So let's get started. First, add some salt into the flour. And then you're going to mix the ingredients until it's nice. We're going to pour the melted butter. Then we're going to add brown sugar and some sugar. Mix the ingredients. Now we are going to crack 4 eggs. Then crack another one by one, okay? Okay, now we're going to crack the third egg. It's not all combined. We're going to crack one more. Okay, mix the last egg. Mix the egg nice and smooth until it's nice and smooth. Next is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra. Mash avocado. Mix the avocado. Okay, time to pour the flour again. And just half. Oh, okay, I'm gonna shake this. It's time to shift the flour again.
Rubber.
Once again, you are going to mix it nice and smooth. We're going to shift our cocoa powder just only half, okay? Now we're going to shift this. Then you're going to mix it nice and smooth. Okay, time to pour cocoa butter again. Shift this all again.
That's a baby mess. Baby mess. Right?
Okay, now I'm gonna pour some roasted
You're over to me.
Yeah.
Don't wait. Go for me.
Then you're gonna pour it in half and then mix the ingredients.
See. It's okay. It's okay.
That's it for two. Nothing.
Once it's nice and smooth, like spread it around. So I'm gonna spread the cake. Once you spread our cake for 40 hours until the cake is ready. Don't forget, you have to ask the adult, or you can. Okay, let's clean up our mess. Okay. Let's try a cake. So delicious. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch more videos, make sure to click the subscribe button to see more videos, okay? Goodbye. That's so yummy. It looks like it. I want to try them. So yummy.